Hello, my name is Havu, and my other team members are Francisco and Jacqueline. Today we're gonna be talking about product market grid according to Ansoff. The most popular concept of product market grid comes from Igor Ansoff. He was born in 1918 and died in 2002. He was a Russian American. He is known as the father of strategic management. He proposed a matrix that focused on the firm's present and potential products and markets by considering ways to grow via existing products and new products, and in existing markets and new markets. There are four possible product market combinations. And this is the matrix. It presents four possible combinations: market penetration, product development, market development, and diversification. Market penetration seeks to improve, grow with the existing products in their current markets, aiming to increase firms' market share. The objective of this approach is to convert incidental clients into regular clients and regular clients into heavy clients. This approach has the least risky compared to the other strategies because it utilizes many of the firm's existing resources and capabilities. However, there is one limitation that comes with this approach is that once the market approaches the saturation point, another strategy must be pursued if the firm wants to continue to grow.
Let's discuss market development. Market development is when the firms sell more of the same products or services in a new market. Geographic segmentation can be a very important process, especially for multinational business with global brands. For example, a global business organization which specializes in clothing may divide the market on the basis of the climate. Such segmentation of the market results in the sale of winter clothes in a country with cold weather, but at the same time may promote other types of clothing in some other country. Demographic segmentation is market segmentation based on various demographic factors, like age, gender, social class, and ethnicity. It helps the firm divide the market into several segments or groups, each having a common variable, and target each of these groups to enhance its performance. This market segmentation strategy aims at understanding the prospective market and taking necessary steps to ensure that the needs of a target group are fulfilled. Demographic segmentation helps the firm understand the customers and satisfy their needs. Some of the firms that use market development are Walmart and Home Depot. On this picture, we can see how Walmart is expanding all around the world. This is a really good example of market development. We're going to talk about product development. Product development may involve modification of an existing product. This can be accessories, add-ons, or formulation of an entirely new product. Arm & Hammer is a really good example of product development. Arm & Hammer is the first name in baking soda, which is their original product. Arm & Hammer developed a line of hygienic products including toothpaste, which the main ingredient is baking soda. They also expand their product name to a laundry detergent. The most important thing on a product development is customer need.
Now let us discuss diversification. Diversification is a business strategy that takes a company into a new market to introduce new products or services. Companies must be aware that they can acquire risks if too much diversification is implemented. However, diversification can help a company as well. There are four forms of diversification that we will be discussing today: horizontal, vertical, concentric, and conglomerate. Risk variation in diversification. If a company implements too much diversification, then there is a risk that companies might neglect its core capabilities. However, a company can spread its financial risk over different products and markets. One must be cognizant of the areas that a company prospers in. Let us discuss now horizontal and vertical diversification. Horizontal diversification tends to happen when a company creates new products, services that can appeal to its current customers. A firm should be able to implement this strategy since they should be familiar with their customers. On the flip side, there is vertical diversification. This type of diversification happens when a company moves into a different level in the supply chain. For example, transitioning from being a manufacturing company to a retailing company. Now let us discuss the two final types of diversification. Concentric diversification occurs when a company decides to implement a business strategy that will create and acquire new products that will be complementary to its already existing product lines. For example, an office supply company may look to acquire a paper manufacturing company or a ballpoint creator manufacturer. One advantage of this type of diversification is that it allows a company to reach a national consumer audience. Conglomerate diversification occurs when a company stretches out to an area that is dissimilar to their core capabilities. Some reasons that businesses apply that strategy is because of ongoing mergers, buyouts, or they simply just want to create new products. Some positives are that they have increasing profits and they expand their business geographically. One must be wary that companies need to manage different businesses with caution. Once again, we want to thank you guys for listening to our semester presentations. We wish you guys truly the very best.